In this video, we're going to look at simplifying the problem -4 multiplied by x to the -5 multiplied by y to the 6, all raised to the -2 power. And to accomplish this, we're going to use various rules of exponents. Now, the first thing we want to look at is we have three terms. We have the -4, the x to the -5, and the y to the 6, all in an exponent. And all of that is being raised to the -2 power. And so what we want to do is we want to apply that -2 power to each of our three terms. So first of all, we have the -4, so we can just put -4 in parentheses. You want to be sure you do that, and raise that to the -2 power. The next thing we have is we have x to the -5, so we can go ahead and raise that to the -2 power, and the same thing with the y to the 6. Now we're going to deal with each of these differently. The first one we have -4 raised to the -2 power. So what we're going to do is we're going to introduce a fraction. Right now that's like it's in the numerator, so we're going to move the -4 into the denominator, and now instead of being to the -2 power, it'll be to the +2 power. Our second item, we have x to the -5 raised to the -2. So we're raising a power to another power, so that means we multiply the exponents. So we're going to have x, -2 multiplied by -5 is going to give us +10. And then we have y to the 6 raised to the -2. Again, we're raising a power to a power, so we need to multiply. So we're going to have y to the 6 times -2, which is -12. So now we need to simplify a little bit further. The first thing we need to take note of is that we have a negative power on the y, -12. Also, we can simplify the -4 to the second power. So let's go ahead and deal with each of those separately. So the x to the 10 is just going to remain on top. We can move the y to the -12 down into the bottom. It will become y to the +12. And -4 to the second power is going to be 16. -4 times -4 is +16. And so we end up with x to the 10 divided by 16, y to the 12. And that's our final answer.